Ito, balikan kita, Lisa. Makinig ka. Nandun ako sa mga meetings mo, right? Di ba? Ng kampanya. Nandun tayo sa conference room. I was here, you were seated across me, tas may Indian na nagpipresent ng, may Indian na babae na nag-explain ng kanyang app, voting app. Tapos biglang nawala yung internet. Pinatawag mo, Lisa, si Adrian. Yung in charge ng internet. Tapos, dito ka. Kung ako si Lisa dito, dumating si Adrian, nakatayo si Adrian, sinakal mo. Ginanyan mo. Ibalik mo yan ngayon.
Are you kidding me?
Oh, she was seated. She was seated. I was seated across there. Doon ako nakaupo.
Terrible.
Are you serious?
Nagulat ka?
Yes.
There were other witnesses.
Everybody else was nagulat.
So terrible.
Kasi ginanya niya. Ibalik mo yan.
She can
ang
first
pobre
time mo
si
to
Adrian.
na-reveal dito, ha?
Yes.
Nananakit siya ng tao.
Ito yung first time na marami tayo, may
But
action.
does he do that to the president?
Malamang, binato nga, ay may sinuntok ka niya
Yes.
sa mata eh.